Okay, hello boys. This is a question that has been long overdue. ATM page 72 question 3, something I've gone through in class. Now, a lot of you ask me, how can I see whether the parts can fit? Simple. In our questions, all you have to know is to make sure you know exactly where to find a quadrant. Because in PSLE, basically as long as you can spot the quadrants, okay, you're pretty safe. Okay, for example, this smaller circle, you can obviously see the quarters after I've drawn it out. Now, when we do this, you realize that, hey, this semicircle, let's take this semicircle here, this semicircle, okay, this is a rugby ball, and if it's a rugby ball, it is formed by two half rugbies. Okay, now a half rugby is basically a quadrant minus the isosceles triangle, which is this. Okay, so you always look for the quadrants. The quadrants are what is important for you to identify so you can solve this. Okay, so in this case, I know this is a half rugby, and then I look at this. Hey, it's the same case here. This is a quadrant half rugby, but this half rugby is empty, this half rugby is filled. Can I shift this then over here? Yes, I can. Okay, so what happens is this. I'll shift this part out. This part is the same. If you continue to draw quarter up all the circles, you realize that it is exactly the same here as well. Okay, now for this half rugby, let's split this into quarters as well, and we'll see this is exactly the same. Quarter, I'll draw the quarter using let's see what other colors I have my orange highlighter. Hopefully there's ink inside. No, it's out. Let's see, purple. Okay, follow the purple ink. This is a quarter. Okay, as long as you quarter up all the circles, you will get quarters, and always look for the half rugby. In this case, this half rugby will go here and you'll fill up the gap here. Same as here, this quarter split up, this half rugby goes here, quarter it up, and this goes here, and this goes here. So basically what happened is the eight half rugbies inside here actually move out to fill this gap. And like I said the other time, what we have is this. Okay, I'm going to redraw a circle here so that you can have a better picture. So basically what has happened is this. I have formed a square inside my circle because the gaps are filled up. Right. So it, like I say in class, it looks like an ancient Chinese coin, okay, with the square in the center. But you say, how is it possible for us to find the area of this square? Because usually we take the side times the side, right? Now this is something very unique. In a square, the diagonals are the same. Okay, this is called a diagonal. That means from one corner to the other. This is the diagonal. And some of you would have realized by now, number one, the diagonal is the diameter of the circle. So this is the diameter of the circle. And on top of that, because it's a square, this diagonal is also the diameter of the circle. So this height of this triangle is actually half the diameter, which is equals to a radius, and the base is actually the diameter. So I can find my triangle times 2, I get my square. So to find the shaded area is basically the circle minus the square, which will give me my size. Ta-da! Solved.